All right, this is the 2024 Chevy Silverado Z71 for $55,000, $56,000 Trail Boss. There's the hood on it. It's a nice color. Got the towing, got the black rims on there. The Trail Boss has the little step. You can step on there. Got some cool exhaust tips. Towing package, ready hooked up, ready to go. You have to put that vinyl lining. Damn, that sucks. That trucks will come with it now. I think it says 25,800 or 865. 2025. 4-wheel drive. I don't know about the inside. Can't really tell. It's kind of cheap, but trucks usually are cheap. Huh? Yeah. That's the only bad thing about Chevys. The trucks, they're cheap insides, man. Like the Fords are so nice, man. Inside they have a better screen and it's like a damn iPad compared to these Chevys, like, and they're so expensive. But you're buying the Trail Boss. This is like, you know, this will be good for a long time. You know what I mean? Z71, so it's the big one, you know. It's the, I think it's the 5.3 liter Ecotec V8, so it's gonna get up and go. Mileage, cities 15, highway 18, so I don't get great mileage, but you can see the difference between the other one over there and then this one. It has like the lights and stuff over there. This one doesn't have like the lights. Alright, so this is that Silverado Z71. See, it does have a very little screen, but I mean, it does have a lot of room in the back. Has some a USB Type-C and a regular USB right there. That's pretty cool. Really a lot of room in the back. Let's go and turn it on, see how it is. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
This one. So you can tell here it's just like the basic inside. It just has the regular dash, the old gauges, you know, no digital. Air blowing out pretty strong across the part. It has a little monitor, you know, not that big. Doesn't have nothing for the lights. Pretty cool. Man, it has a big mirror. Has all the gauges down here. Oh man, it's hot. Is that the AC on? This cool, has a USB, and the other USB has the thing. Oh, an outlet right there. You can have an outlet. See here, has this tone. It has to pick up, no? No. So it has this big area right here. Has this cup holder. Has this one. Looks like it has right there for stuff, and then you have this one for stuff. Yeah. Let me see if it's oh, it's power on the side. It has power, so that's cool. I bet when we test drove tracks without power, it was on manual. My son was tripping out like, how do I? He was like, no, I'm not getting that car for sure. So it has the gauges right here. This is for the 4-wheel drive, right? The towing and all that.
Yeah.
Automatic lights.
Yeah, it's all
big. Oh, here comes the AC now. All right. This is cool. I don't know. It's just.
Try this one too if you want.
You want to take it for a drive?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we'll take this one for a drive. Check this one out. This one's real low on gas, so only has 4 miles on it. So it's really new. Let me see. Cool area. Yeah, so it's push button. It still has all the keys right here for the cruise control. It doesn't have the like for the radio and stuff. I think this will be on this side. It does have Apple CarPlay and it has Android Auto, so that's cool, especially Apple because y'all have Apple. And see how
it has an Android now. Like,
everybody, especially the kids, they trip out.
Yeah.
You see, lift it up a little bit. Oh, I think that's the highest it go. Oh, let's see. Okay, there we go. Much better. Oh, so this one's back to the old school.
Yeah,
the,
it's up there, yeah.
The manual.
Yeah.
No,
yeah.
no, it doesn't like that.
Cup holders and everything.
I mean, this oh, so that's good. You get 6 seats, so not bad. Yeah. That's not bad.
Old school days, man.
Yeah. She gonna want to sit right next to me. Yeah, like the old school.
You could put your phone right next to you.
Just like the old days.
Yeah.
All right, so let's take it out.
Yeah,
just like it has fog lights or no?
It should. I mean, for this, it should. Clean the windows and you need to.
Does it have the windshield wipers?
Yeah, it should be on the left side.
Let me stop real quick and then put it
just push that button. See where the button is right here?
This one?
Yeah, push that one.
Alright, there we go. Good.
There you go.
Scoot up a little bit. So it feels good. I always love the truck, man.
Oh, this truck is smooth, man. Especially for being a Z71 package, it's still good. Right?
Yeah, the V8. It's gonna be, you're gonna be able to do this one for a long time. And yeah, it has a little screen, but it's still looks like good screen, you know, it's still something.
Yeah.
Would we be able to go like the same way we went, or it'd be kind of difficult?
Yeah. It sounds like radio too.
I think we used it just for a free trial and then we never used it again. Alright, so let's see this one. Wait, is this the volume right here? I'll turn it down right now. And then, damn it, I should do my windows. Why is it so low? Okay.
Oh, the windows.
This is gonna cut me off like that? Oh.
Oh, you see on the side.
This one's gonna drive a little different, right? Because it's the tires.
Yeah,
like
tires.
It makes it feel a little
more rugged.
Yeah.
Especially the Z71.
It's for the like off terrain.
Yeah, off terrain more.
It does cool because it has that little light, the little thing. Because we try to put them on the Dodge so it'd be better to see, like the little mirror.
Little mirror, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if this has like, nah, it doesn't have when there's somebody next to you, right? Because it would have went off right now. But I mean, with these big old windows, you can see everything. You see this V8 power get up. Looks like it go all the way across. Where you gonna go, truck? Where you gonna go? Alright. So I'm already hitting 70. Got up pretty quick. It's weird to see the old gauges.
Right? Yeah.
But it feels good though.
Yeah, because a lot of people, a lot of customers we do get sometimes, like, they don't want all
The newer gauge, yeah.
They don't want all that stuff in the truck.
Because sometimes they mess up, or they
just want like a simple truck, fancy, like the traditional
style.
A lot of people still want that. And then once you go to the LT models, it has
the one out there. Well, I don't know which one that was, but that had the screen, the bigger screen, and everything. You can already see it already.
Yeah. Get that glass screen on there.
Yeah. But I feel like,
try to keep the cost down.
yeah, because this is like, yeah, this is, I told her like this is be more cost, like us to be able to get, and then it won't be it'd be a big payment, but not like the other one would be even more higher. The 67,000.
Oh yeah.
So that's why I told her I'll probably exit right here.
Yeah.
So the good thing about the trucks is like you can see everything around you. Man, I feel like a monster in this truck compared to that Ford right now. Like it feels real high. This Trobos has a little lift to it, right?
Yes, that's the Z71 suspension. It has a little lift on it.
Yeah. I know we want to get a truck. I don't know if we want to do it now, but I mean, we have to keep our option open if this is a time to get it. Go back to Greenwood.
Yeah, it's fine. Do that same way.